Let's practice finding area. In this problem, we're being asked to find the area of the region that's bounded by the curve y equals 4x minus x squared, the x-axis, and in quadrant 1. To start out, what I'll go ahead and do is draw a quick sketch of the region to try and understand what I'm actually finding the area of. So I start with my focus in quadrant 1. I label my x-axis, which is y equals 0. I factor out an x to get x times 4 minus x, which tells me that for this curve, I have an x-intercept at 0 and an x-intercept at 4. And since the leading coefficient of our quadratic is a negative here, or a is negative, our parabola is going to open downward. Okay, so now that I have the region it's shaded in, I want to figure out what integral is going to help me to solve for that area right there. Well, I know that the region is bounded by 0 and 4 because that's where my parabola would cross the x-axis, which is another boundary point. So I would be integrating here from 0 up to 4. And if I think about some arbitrary rectangle that's placed inside this area, the height of this rectangle is just going to be the function itself, because it would be top minus bottom if we want to think about that, but the bottom is just 0. So all I need to do is figure out the height of that function, which of course is just the curve that's already given to me, the 4x minus x squared. So that gives us the integral from 0 to 4 of 4x minus x squared dx. Working this out, what we get is the area of our bounded region is 32/3.